This is at the Student Union. Oh, these used to be Otis. Very interesting. I'm not going to get a cab view out here because it's really busy. I'm going to go down to the basement, or the basement, because it's you. Traction, nice.
Oh, we're just gonna like walk around campus. Probably go do something.
Alright, here's the cab view. It's decked out in Northwestern colors. I like the ceiling too. The wood ceiling's real neat. It's like wooden lattice. That's neat. Anyway, up to 3. And looks like there's a map, so it looks like here there's another elevator. Anyway, we'll go back down to 1. I like these. Anyway, that's gonna be it.